A Loom share link is a unique URL that allows you to easily share your video recordings. To find it, first log into your Loom account and navigate to your video library. Select the specific video you want to share. Look for the Share button, typically found beneath the video or in the upper right corner of the video player interface. Click this button, and a panel will appear containing the share link. You can copy this link directly to your clipboard. The copied link will look something like loom.com/share/unique-id. This is the link you'll use to share your video. Loom offers robust privacy settings to control who can view your videos. When sharing, you can choose between public, private, or password-protected settings. Public links are accessible to anyone with the link. Private links require viewers to log in or be specifically invited. Password-protected links add an extra layer of security. For embedding your Loom video into a website, email, or platform like Notion or WordPress, copy the embed code, an HTML iframe snippet, from the Share menu. This code is customizable, allowing you to adjust video size, autoplay settings, and even add your brand's logo. Be aware that privacy settings also affect the embedded video's accessibility.